Hi, it's Dr. Denise Taylor. I'm the author of 9 books. My next one, Career Coaching for Midlife and Beyond, is published on Tuesday, and we're doing a book launch on Wednesday. But look what's just arrived. I have my box of books, and I thought I'd do a Let's Open the Box online. Now, I'm going to have to go and get a knife. Will this work or not? Can you hear the rip? Yes. This is all being done in real time, because I think there's nothing more fun than watching somebody open a box when you can't even see it. So here we are now. So we're doing that, and let's just see what we've got. And it's like we have packaging, and then here we have my books. So we have a couple of them here. So I'm just going to pause the video and then pull one out and just give you a first glance. And I'm back. And here is my book. And first thing I'm noticing is the size. They probably told me what size it was going to be, but I didn't check it out. But it's a nice big size book. And, you know, it's looking so good. You get to see the PDFs as an author. But it's a nice looking book. It's a really nice looking book. And it's not tiny print. Sometimes books are so tiny. It's not the size book that you're going to put in a pocket and take out with you, but it's more, it says, a practical handbook. So it's something that you're going to be using in your day-to-day life. And you know, things that I cover, I'm going to have to read this out because I can't remember it all, is Chapter 1, Why Midlife and Retirement Coaching Matters. And it does matter. It really does. We're living longer, people are working for longer, and we need to be able to help people, whether this is something for yourself or for other people. Understanding midlife career transitions. We're going through all sorts of stages in life. We have lacks of confidence. We're thinking about retirement. Maybe we've got shifts about energy and stuff like that. Chapter 3, Coaching for Career Reinvention in Midlife. You know about networking and taking your skills and using them in different ways. Thinking about maybe the phased retirement. There's a lot of chapters. Chapter 4, The Psychology of Retirement and Identity Shifts. This is my thing. You may know that I got my doctorate researching retirement adjustment at 64. That's nearly 4 years ago when I was awarded the doctorate. And so, you know, I'm probably know more about this topic than anybody else. Anyway, so we've got a big section around that, including life stage coaching and giving back. And then Chapter 5, Designing a Meaningful Life After Full-Time Work, because, you know, it's not just about working, it's about doing things that give you meaning. I've got a big section on practical tools for career coaches. And as I said, although the book is designed for career coaches, it's useful for people going through career change themselves. I've got a chapter all about case studies. A chapter on ageism, because that's something that a lot of us face, but also it's about internal ageism as well. I've got about portfolio careers, self-employment, on-call careers, and on retirement. That's chapter 9. Chapter 10 is Coaching with Integrity, about ethical and psychological grounding. And that's a really important chapter because I don't think it's given as much prominence as should be. And then Chapter 11, Coaching at the Edge of Change, supporting what comes after work, looking back, looking to the future, thinking about technology and our AI, thinking about life reviews, and then looking ahead is about where I'm heading in the way that I support people in their careers and those who support those in their careers. So, career coaching for midlife and beyond. And there's lots of information on the back. And I love the way it says about me. Dr. Denise Taylor is a triple award-winning career coach, including being crowned CDI Career Research of the Year in 2024. I mean, that was truly amazing to get that award for the research that I did. And I was up against some stiff competition. I'm an associate fellow of the British Psychological Society. I'd written 6 career books. I've written non-career books as well. And I'm a well-known career coach, regularly featured in the media, indeed. And 30 years running amazing people, amazing time. Been working with people Yeah, as a self-employed career coach for heading on for 30 years, and I'm going through some changes now, but I just wanted to do a quick video just to introduce this to you, and hope you're going to join us on the launch on Wednesday the 29th of October, the day after the book comes out, and there's all sorts of freebies and gifts for coming along. Take care. Bye-bye.